Until a few years ago, when people talked about the future of jobs, roles like accounting, driving, or even graphic design were among the ones considered likely to be replaced by AI. But now, a more important question has come up. Is artificial intelligence going to replace programmers too? In this video, we're going to walk through it step by step. 1. How fast and in what way AI is impacting all kinds of jobs. 2. Where programming stands and what its future looks like. 3. What skills we should learn to protect ourselves from being replaced by AI. And most importantly, what should we learn that AI can't easily master? Part 1. AI and the restructuring of jobs. Artificial intelligence AI is like a massive wave, not good or bad, but powerful and unstoppable. According to global reports from sources like McKinsey and PwC, around 300 to 800 million jobs will be affected by AI in the next decade. But here's the point. AI doesn't just eliminate jobs, it redefines them. Jobs that are predictable, repetitive, and follow fixed patterns are the first to be impacted. But jobs that require creativity, human decision-making, and complex understanding either remain or become stronger by integrating with AI. For example, tasks like data entry, basic customer support, or writing simple reports are already fully automated. But the person who designs, controls, or optimizes these tools, that's still a human. Part 2. Is programming at risk? Let's be honest. Yes, parts of programming are at risk. But not in a way that destroys the profession. Instead, it transforms it. Simple and repetitive tasks like writing basic functions, refactoring code, or converting code from one language to another can now easily be done with tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT. But designing complex systems, analyzing requirements, structuring architecture, and collaborating with teams to solve real business problems, those are still human responsibilities. And AI is currently weak in those areas. So, if you see programming as just writing code, then yes, you might be replaced. But if you see a programmer as someone who solves problems using digital tools, then not only will you remain, you'll become even more powerful. Part 3. What should you learn to secure your job? Here's the real deal. Just learning a programming language, like Python or Java, isn't enough anymore. You need to master things where AI still struggles. 1. Systems thinking and software architecture. AI can build a module, but it doesn't understand how that module interacts with databases, front-ends, or real users. 2. Deep business understanding. A coder who only writes functions is replaceable. But someone who understands the purpose of the project, the user's pain points, and how to reach a solution faster is an invaluable consultant. 3. Work with AI instead of competing against it. Now's the time to learn tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Midjourney, and others. Those who collaborate with AI will replace those who try to hide from it. 4. Communication and teamwork skills. No machine has replaced this yet. The ability to explain, discuss, document, and collaborate is one of the most valuable skills for the future. Call to action. AI will replace parts of our jobs, but not all of them. If you upgrade yourself now and learn skills that complement AI instead of being replaced by it, you won't be left behind. You'll be empowered with tools to work faster and more precisely than ever before. Now it's your turn. What do you think AI will do to programming jobs? Drop a comment. And if you're on a smart path toward the future of coding, share this video with your friends so they don't fall behind either.